Senedd Ifanc is Wrexham Young People's Parliament. We are looking to recruit new members aged between 11 and 25 years old. The young people from the Senedd Ifanc would like young people to come and support them in the work they do. They work on local, national and international important issues that affect young people. The Senedd Ifanc's aim is to give young people a voice and help make change. This work can include debates, consultations, meetings with decision makers, guest speakers, work with other young people, groups and forums, and much more. This work can take young people on trips and residentials and gives opportunities to learn new skills, meet new friends and become part of an inspiring project. All hours which are volunteered by the young people are valued, appreciated and we celebrate these. The Senedd Ifanc's work is driven by Wales participation standards and the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, in particular Article 12. Children and young people have the right to say what they think should happen when adults are making decisions that affect them or to others. All we ask is that if you become a member of the Senedd Ifanc, your role would be to support the forum with its present work, to get involved and to have fun.